It's maxed out. Talk about roadside mechanics. NRMA. Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're in the Turbo STARLET right now. So this morning I just got delivered a boost controller so we can finally turn the boost up in this thing. But I'm not sure if I have time to do it today because I'm going to the drag tonight because Richie's running his FN2 and my mate Brock's running his EP3, so that's gonna be crazy. So hopefully we can get a few clips there. But anyways, right now I'm just heading down to the servo because this car needs fuel badly. I wish this car had a bigger turbo though. I was thinking about going TD04 like the WRX stock turbo. That might go right after that. Because the CT9 kit that's in the car right now isn't really that fast. But at least it makes the cool dose noises. But probably later down the track I want to tune this thing and put a fat screamer pipe on it. That will sound not normal. But for now I guess the car's just going to stay how it is. Low key, it's kind of too hot to drive this car in the summer anyway. Ah, the roof is so hot. I'm literally sweating driving this thing. Oh mate, I didn't even spend this much money on food, but I'm always filling up my cars now. Alright boys, we're back. Mate, why did I fill up 98 in this car? Could definitely get away filling up with 91, but that's just me. Hopefully it goes better. I still ask myself why I bought this car, to be honest with you, but it just feels good driving two cars. You know when you wake up in the morning and you're like, what car should I drive today? The shit box or the even shittier box?
6.5 hours later.
So it's drag night Wednesdays. Oh my god, it's an AMG next to me. Maybe we should drag race the STARLET. Nah, psych. It'll either take a whole day to make it past the finish line or we're ending up on a tow truck. But still love this car. Listen to this cammed Maserati. So we actually have a heavy duty clutch on this STARLET, so I can't just be sitting here in traffic. It hurts my foot so much, especially after leg day. And it doesn't help when this line takes 10 years. Eastern Creek is actually a mad place to go, to be honest with you. You got drifting, roll racing, drag racing. I don't know why I bought the STARLET. I should have brought the Sportiva. I'm not even driving it today.
There you go.
Yep.
Done. Make
Thank
you.
you.
Get the wristband.
Alright, thank you. You too. Park there. I'm gonna park somewhere hectic. Oh, that's my mate Rav. What the hell's that guy doing here? And Luke Newbert. What the frick? Everyone's here today. That's tough. I'm parking behind Rav, bro. I don't even care. Bring me back to the Honda days. Look at his stance Accord. Yep, just parked up the Turbo STARLET behind Rav. Here we are, boys, at the drags. Here's Richie. How you going, mate? What do you reckon your Honda's gonna...
As long as I get a 14s.
14s, mate. We made it to the spectator area. Yo. Look at this Camaro, boys. Shout out George Harb. Here's Richie, boys. We're gonna chuck the vlog camera in Brock's EP3.
This handbrake don't hold so well, eh? Pretty shit, just drags me through. Richie ran a 15.6, he's not going to be happy with that.
I am speed.
best takeoff, boys. Thank you. Whoa, 13.9 boys. Let's f***ing go. Let's f***ing go.
The next day.
So it's the next day right now after the drags, and today's a big day, boys. We're finally going to turn the boost up in the Starlet. So at Richie's house right now, there's his Honda. And this is what we finna be installing on the car today. So we have a TurboTech manual boost controller. So hopefully we can turn the boost up to at least 7. Here he is. Alright, let's up the boost in this thing. Turn it to the max. Just need to move it into the bay. With the bonnet open. Can't see nothing. Alright, hectic. Mechanical Richie's workshop. So the boost tee goes in between here and here, connected by a little rubber hose. And then you can control the boost from it. Alright, it's ready to go in. And that's it. The boost tee's on, boys. Now all we need to do is spin this and up the boost. Alright boys, now's the fun part. We're just going to drive this thing. And we're going to use this wideband to tell us how much fuel we're running. So we've got the wideband hooked up to the exhaust. And then sticky tape to the side. All the way here. So we're hoping to bump it up to at least 7 PSI without a tune. So right now it's at 10.3. If it goes over 12, that means it's leaning out.
Like sitting level, huh?
Yeah, bro. The lower your seat is, the more respect you get. You love power steering, huh?
See how much boost?
Still at 5. Went to like 8 and then all the way up to 10.
Went to 8?
Yeah.
It's very rich.
Yeah. When you put your foot down flat, it went to 8 and then all the way to 11.
It's very rich.
No wonder why I'm running out of fuel, bro. Alright boys, so running a bit rich, so we need to up the boost. Talk about roadside mechanics. NRMA.
How many turns would you run?
Right. Let's try 2 turns first.
Let's see, send it.
Full send, baby. Fingers crossed we don't blow it up. So turn the boost up a little bit. We'll see how it goes now.
You got 6 now.
Got 6.
Yeah, got a little bit. You got 7. Now, how much is that?
Still at 8. Alright boys, so it's still running a bit rich, but we turned the boost up to 7 PSI, so we're going to turn it up even more.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, yeah. You'd rather it run rich than run lean. But hopefully we can balance it out with more boost. The proper way of tuning it is taking it straight to Toy's garage. But you know, that costs money.
It's already maxed out, man.
It's maxed out. Well, the best we got out of it was like £3 without tuning it. So the wastegate actuator on the turbo is not the best. So it's really loose and lets out all the boost pressure. It's still running 8. Dose sounds a bit louder, but hey.
It's the boost good though, so
Yeah. Need a fat dose pipe, bro. Extra 20 kilowatts.
what was that extra 2-3 pounds? know what I mean? It was
Yeah.
in the quad bar, it was lagging. Now it hits it straight away. A little bit.
The dose sounds a lot better now. I just need to put that intake on it and the dose will be so loud. Back of the workshop, boys. Roadside Richie. That's your new name, mate. The front yard roadside repairs was a success, boys. First driving the Starlet after the FDA performance tune. You can actually hear the turbo now. Right now we're going on a little cruise to test the car. We just cruised to Windsor right now. Here's a turbo Starlet. There do be hella people here though. Richie's gonna try his luck, have a quick flick. So hopefully we catch something. The Starlet just made it back in one piece. She lives another day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end. If it's your first time watching the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos because we have a few crazy things planned like a Varex muffler giveaway. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I'm sorry that I ain't do what I said I do. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm missing you, girl. I'm sorry I couldn't do what you want me to. It's 30 minutes past 1 and I'm with a new girl.